Adam Feuerstein. We're going to talk about Aegerion Pharmaceuticals today. Stock's almost tripled in value this year, and it reports second quarter financial results on Tuesday, July 30th. I imagine that expectations are running pretty high going into next week.
Yeah, you got that right, Greg. Aegerion sells a pill that's used to treat a very rare genetic disorder that causes extremely high cholesterol. I'm talking here about cholesterol levels that literally turn blood yellow, and if untreated can cause teenagers to have heart attacks. Now, Aegerion started selling this new drug, which is known as Juxtapid, in December, and so far the launch has been going very well, which helps explain the soaring stock price.
So what do investors need to hear on Tuesday for the stock to continue climbing?
Well, at this point, I think the proverbial beat and raise is a must. The raise part is really important. Aegerion last gave guidance in April, saying it expected to have about 250 to 300 patients on Juxtapid, with net product sales of 15 to 25 million by the end of the year. On Tuesday, investors are definitely want to hear Aegerion well along to that 250 to 300 patient goal, with increased revenue guidance.
Well, 250 or 300 patients on a drug doesn't sound like a lot.
Yeah, that's true. But when you're selling a drug that costs $295,000 a year, it works out really well. This Aegerion pill, Juxtapid, treats a very rare disease. So 300 patients on a drug for a full year, let's say, represents about $88 million in sales. Longer term, Aegerion believes that it can have 4,000 to 5,000 patients on drug, which eventually would be about $1 billion in sales.
So that explains the stock price tripling in value.
It does. But it also puts more pressure on Aegerion to deliver on these lofty expectations, which is why next Tuesday's earnings report is so important.